Hello, it's TNT Tree. My name's Lady. What do you think about TNT Tree Service?
It's the best, no doubt about it. It's the very best.
Okay.
Gets the job done.
I'll go show them what we did. Trimmed out these trees up here. Got this looking beautiful. Been all the way to the top cleaning in there today. We got around here, this other side of the house. We got these trimmed out in here. The magnolias cleaned out back up in here. You see all the way to the top's been cleaned. Anyway, it makes one continuous canopy. We got that over there cleaned up. She has a beautiful house here. And you're back out here, her curb appeal just went up another 50% out here by having this so clean right here. See how clean that is? Then the house comes through. Over there it's all the same. It's all clean. TTF.